Are you fed up with the new spam accounts? In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of them using Sapphire's new Join Guard feature. First, let's quickly explain what Join Guard does. It automatically takes action against suspicious users who join your server by flagging them with specific filters. Remember, we can set multiple actions for each condition. Now let's start the setup. Go to the Sapphire dashboard and scroll down to Auto Moderation. Click on Join Guard, then click Setup. And finally, add condition. Name the condition New Accounts Alert and warn. Next, click Add Filter, select Account Age, and set it to younger than 28 days. Click the Close button. Now we'll add actions. Click Add Action, select Open Moderation Case, and choose Warn as the case type. Add a reason and click Close. Add one more action by selecting Send DM. Click Open Message Editor and write a message that will be sent when this rule is triggered. You can find message templates in the description. Now let's set up the second condition. Click on Add Condition and name the condition Suspicious Guild Tags Warn. Next, click Add Filter and select Guild Tags. Here you will type any inappropriate guild names you want to flag. You can write whatever words you need, just separate them with commas if you have more than one. Once you are done, click the Close button. Now let's add the action for this. Click Add Action. Select Open Moderation Case and choose Warn as the case type. Add a reason for the warning and then click Close. Add one more action by selecting Send DM. Click Open Message Editor and write the message that will be sent when a user triggers this rule. Our second condition is done. Now let's set up the third condition. Click on Add Condition and name the condition Suspicious Accounts Kick. Next, click Add Filter and select Account Age. Set this to younger than 7 days. Now add a second filter, select Default Avatar. We add this because spam accounts often don't bother setting a proper profile picture. Add a third filter. Select Generated Names. Choose all the available options since many spam accounts use these randomized usernames, like the ones you see listed here. Click the Close button. Finally, we'll add the actions. Select Open Moderation Case, and this time choose Kick as the case type. Add a reason for the kick and click Close. Add the Send DM action. Click Open Message Editor, and write the message that will be sent when a user triggers this rule. When everything looks good, click Save Changes to finalize the condition. Let's set up our fourth condition. Click on Add Condition and name the condition Unverified App Ban. Now click Add Filter and select the Unverified App filter. This is the only filter you need for this rule. Next, we'll add the action. Click Add Action, select Open Moderation Case, and choose Ban as the case type. Add a reason for the ban and click Close. Since the action is an immediate ban, we won't add a Send DM action. Click Save Changes to finish setting up this condition. This is our last and most important condition. Click Add Condition and name the condition High Risk Accounts Ban. First, click Add Filter and select Account Age. Set it to younger than 2 days. Next, add the Default Avatar filter and the Generated Names filter. This combination is highly effective at stopping bot raids. Now click Add Action, select Open Moderation Case, and choose Ban as the case type. Add a reason for the ban, and click Close. Finally, add the Send DM action. Click Open Message Editor, and write the message that will be sent to the user when this critical rule is triggered. When you're finished, click Save Changes to complete your Join Guard setup. If you found this tutorial useful, that means a lot. Be sure to subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends. You can also join our Discord community to get resources and hang out with the team.